Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2022 GMC 1500 Elevation. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks, a close four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive with the auto track, cruise control, air conditioning, Bluetooth, XM radio. This GMC Elevation has a 5.3 liter paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission. A spacious rear passenger compartment with seating for three, a couple of USB ports, and the molded GMC floor mats. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2022 GMC 1500 Elevation, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.